Last winter, we introduced you to the Posi-Lock T-Square, one of the most innovative measuring and layout tools we've designed. And now our machine shop is begin manufacturing this exciting new product. So let's take a quick behind-the-scenes look at a couple stages of production. The first stop is at one of our CNC milling machines, where the head of the tool is milled out of solid aluminum blocks. One cool feature of this high-end CNC mill is that during milling, the machine checks the parts for tolerance to ensure precision. Then, after milling, the parts are hand inspected by the machine operator. Next, let's head over to the laser fabrication department. Here the 12, 24, and 36-inch blades are laser cut out of stainless steel. Both CNC milling and laser engraving shape the overall tool, but these parts will then move on to many more processes before the final tool is assembled. Thanks for checking out this quick production update, and if you placed an order for the Posi-Lock T-Square, it looks like shipping will begin soon. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes action from Woodpeckers.